Well, my flight was at 9, I got here about 11. And I have airport alert, which is standby, which means that I set the airport to cover any flights that need covering for about 4 hours. But I have standby, aka airport alert, at LaGuardia. I'm at Newark, and my show time is 5. And so I'm gonna take the 3:30 a.m. show, or pay like $100 for Uber or Lyft. So I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and get ready. It's currently 3:09. And by the way, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tari, and obviously I am a attendant. I am not doing my makeup right now because I may just be sitting there, so there's no point in doing makeup. I'm just gonna be sitting there. And I just go ahead and just sleep in the curtain, of course, because why not sleep in the room for like 2 hours? And then go ahead and go. Alright, so let me go ahead and get myself together. I'll see y'all in a minute, okay? Okay. There's literally nobody in here right now. It's like a ghost town. And I'm trying to hurry up and get to the shuttle. So hopefully I can get down there super quick and super fast, because I slept for like an hour and I'm exhausted. I look a hot mess.
You'll also need to remove spare lithium batteries and e-cigarettes or personal.
And it's so funny because I preferenced international trip because I'm so good for 3 days. But of course, they gave me the earliest airport alert at an airport where honestly there's hardly ever anything going on. So if we get a trip today, that's me and y'all, if we get a trip today, I'll be completely surprised, because I don't know, y'all. Okay, let me hurry up and get to the show, and I'll talk to y'all in a minute, okay? I'm here a little early, so yeah, but I'm taking a nap because I'm tired. Okay. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Alright guys, so I spoke too soon. We did get a trip. Been here for about an hour and 45 minutes now. My check-in's in about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna do something really quick to my face. So I'll see you guys when you're on the plane, okay? Okay. Alright guys, so we're on the plane. I am the galley position, which means that this is me, all of me. Today is a long day for me because my day technically started at 5 a.m. But we work from LaGuardia to Denver to Dallas, like over in Dallas for about 12 hours. It is a 3-day flight, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up my galley, and more than likely I'll probably talk to you guys once we get to our layover. We also have like a 3.5-hour sit in Denver, but because I've only had maybe 2 hours of sleep, I'm gonna go to sleep. So I'm just, you know, mentally preparing myself for today. I pray that it's gonna be easy, that people are gonna be easy, that they're gonna be just chill. Because when I tell y'all I'm tired, as y'all can see, I don't even have makeup on today. I'm just like, I'm already over it. So but I'm trying to be positive, so please bear with me. I'm just exhausted. And I honestly did not expect to get anything. So anyway, you know, that's what happens. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up. Face is breaking out. It's just a crazy situation right now, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, I'm back. So I booked the flight from LaGuardia to Denver. It was actually pretty smooth. Everyone was super chill. And then when we got here, I did run into one of my old roommates, my friend Alyssa. Hi Alyssa, if you're watching this. And then took like a nap, and I'm still super exhausted. I'm exhausted. Y'all probably can tell that I'm exhausted. So anyway, so we're on the aircraft now, so we can go ahead and head to Dallas. Our layover in Dallas is only like 12.5 hours, so I'm hoping we get out of here on time. Y'all see my little friend here. With face mask and all that. Anyway, so hopefully we get to Dallas on time so we get all of our layover, because I need some sleep. I didn't even see if we're full or not. I need to go check that. We're on an Airbus. Earlier we were on an Airbus as well. It was just an Airbus A319, which is a little bit smaller than the other. Now it's just an Airbus 320. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead. We're being catered right now, and then I'll go ahead and set up my galley. What is up, guys? Hi. So I'm in my room. I am dog tired, and I'm so surprised I'm still awake, because right now I think it's like, let's see, it's actually 8 o'clock on the dot in Dallas, and I have to be up at like 3:30. So I'm about to lay it down. Let's see, our last flight was easy. It was super easy. It was like an hour and 30 minutes. The only thing it was bumpy, so it's a little turbulent. And yeah, no complaints with that. I'm trying to think. No complaints. So I've already, like, as you can see, laid it all the way down, but I'll just give you guys a quick view of my room. Hold on. Okay, so here's the room. And the bed is king sized. I guess I could get up, right? Okay. Oh, there is a fridge, and it is really nice and cold for us, but I don't have anything to put in it because I ate all of my food, because I didn't know that I was gonna actually go on a trip. And then here's the bathroom. Just a regular standard bathroom. So anyway, so yeah, here's the room. But I'm gonna go ahead and lay myself on down so I can get up in a few hours. Oh, I'm gonna get at least about 6 hours of sleep. Let's see, at least 6 hours of sleep, possibly 7, depending on if I go right to bed or not. So I'll see you guys in the morning, okay? Good morning, guys. I'm having a jam session today. I have to listen to my gospel and worship most mornings, so get my spirit together, because when you fly, you encounter all these different energies and spirits, and I be having to rebuke some of these people in the name of Jesus, for real. So anyway, today we're headed from Dallas to Denver. It is currently about 5:15 in the morning, and I actually got some rest today. As you can see, I look a little bit, refreshed, if I do say so myself. I feel refreshed. The pilots were so sweet. He gave us like green tea in emergency, because that sometimes, we get a little Anyway, it's a bun type of day, because I can't do nothing with this hair. Yeah, no, this is going away as soon as I get home. Anyway, yeah, so we're headed to Denver. Sit in Denver for a couple hours. This trip is all about sitting for like 2 and 3 hours in Denver. and then we go from Denver to Raleigh, layover in Raleigh. So it's gonna be a great day. I'm speaking it, I'm claiming it. It's gonna be a great day. The funniest thing though right now is that we normally have, like, since we've been on the Airbus does not have like direct TV or seat back monitors, and so we came on a 737-800 and we're like, oh yay, there's, you know, the seat back monitors. We're not gonna have to do a live safety demo. No, because they don't work. I'm gonna show y'all. They're all blacked out. Look at this. Okay, we're back in focus. So as y'all can see, it's gonna be one of those flights, and hopefully everybody goes to sleep because it is an early flight. It's supposed to leave at 6 o'clock, so, or 6:05-ish, in that area. So hopefully people just go to sleep. We'll see. By the way, if there are any Marvel fans out there and you're watching this, Endgame premieres tomorrow. It's Thursday, it's tomorrow, it's Endgame. We got our tickets, me and Mike. We have our tickets for tomorrow. I mean, Saturday morning. So I'm gonna hopefully get back tomorrow night, get back home, and we have our tickets for Saturday morning. It's gonna be amazing. I cannot wait. I'm gonna be sad, but I can't wait to see it. All right, so yeah, I think we're gonna start boarding soon, and I need to set up my galley. So I'll see y'all in a video. Alright guys, so we are now on board our plane. Same aircraft as before, it's just the TVs are working now. Boom. And we're completely full. And it's a 3-hour flight. But we're gonna make it, we're gonna survive. We sat here for about 4 hours was our sit time here in Denver, and yeah, so almost day 2 completely down, 1 more to go. Layover's like 13 hours. We're at the airport. It's one of those long day, short layover type of trips, and that's really all I had to share. Yeah, so we'll have to do a safety demo on a live one anyway, I hope. Anyway, so I'll see you guys when we get to Raleigh then. Okay. Bye. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm in my hotel room in Raleigh, and I have to get up again. Well, a little bit later than this morning, but I have to get up at 4 and it's 8:30 right now. So I'm gonna lay it down soon. So tomorrow is go home day. It's day 3. I'm so happy. I'm so tired. I'm just ready for the weekend. And we work from Raleigh to Denver. Denver has been a constant this entire 3-day trip. Sit for a good amount of time again, and then fly back to LaGuardia. So I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I don't know what's going on with my window, but for the past like couple of hours now, it sounds like someone's cleaning it, like a window cleaner is like bumping up against it or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna say like some triple prayers tonight that I get a good night's sleep, because every time I open it, like nothing's out there. So I don't know what's going on, but it's annoying me. I don't think I'm as creeped out about it as I am annoyed. So anyway, that's all I had to say. This is getting a little long-winded, but the flight itself, like the flights today were easy. There was really bad turbulence though coming into Raleigh. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it was bad. But the only thing I will say is I don't understand, why is it that people think it's okay to just stand in the back galley, especially if like one of us or 2 of us are back there eating. Go that noise again. That's why I always have my Bible. I really do though. I always carry either my big Bible or my smaller Bible, but I don't know what's going on, but that it needs to stop. It needs to stop. Anyway, So anyway, I don't understand why people think it's okay to come stand in the back galley when we're back there eating our meals. Like, that's not okay. You gotta look at it this way. It's like, you know, most people have break rooms or lunch rooms or somewhere they can go eat their meals. Anyway, most people have places like that at their workplace. For us, that's our place. You don't have customers back there in your face like, oh my God, what are you eating today? Oh my God, can I have some? No. Pack your own food, pay for your own food. Like, that's so aggy. Like, don't do that. I was like, I'm not gonna complain, but that literally annoys me. Like, annoys the crap out of me. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna try to get some sleep because I'm tired. And yeah, and I'll see y'all on the final day, day 3, go home day. Good morning, you guys. Guess what it is? It's day 3. It's the final day. Can you see the smile? I'm so ready to go home. Also, it's Endgame. See what I did there? It's the Endgame today, and Endgame comes out. Okay, all my Marvel Avengers fans know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so we're on an Airbus, the first leg, and then I think we get onto a 737 going back to LaGuardia from Denver. So it is currently 5:25. And for those of you wondering, I did not sleep well last night. Someone was still knocking on my window all night. So I don't know what that was about, what was going on. I'm just gonna leave that where it's at. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day or good night or good morning wherever you are watching this right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and set up my galley. Alright, what's up, guys? So we are currently in Denver. We had like a 2-hour stint and we're heading back to LaGuardia. We were hoping to get in early, but we're not. There's reported bad weather in New York, so we're gonna be like maybe 15 minutes late. We are currently boarding and we have not been catered yet. So that means I cannot go ahead and set up my galley the way I want to because I don't have anything set up. So I took a nap on that break and I shouldn't have did that because I'm tired. And the flight is about 3 hours and some change, so we're gonna be positive it's gonna be a good flight. I'll just see you guys hopefully we get to New York. Okay, bye. Not get out of LaGuardia because my flight was canceled. Because the weather sucks. So now I am trying to get another flight. It is severely delayed, but I plan on getting home. So that is the update. And I'll talk to y'all next to the gate after I get some food. Finally made it home to Atlanta. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, I'm trying to do better. I'm currently recording on my phone because my camera is tucked away. And like I said, I just hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it if you really liked it. And comment if you have something that you want to tell me. In the meantime, I love you guys so much. And I thank you so much for watching. So like I said, I love you guys. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, night, morning, whatever's going on. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.